This right here is a screwdriver, 16-piece pivoting screwdriver set. It is from Husky, right? And I saw this on sale on Home Depot. So try me. So you could try it. So it just swivels, as you can see. So you can screw things in any angle that you like. There is a slot here where all these bits go. Now these things can range from Phillips head, the skinny ones, to the fattest ones, and then square ones. Hex. Sorry, I think it's hex, yeah. Or torque. Is that a torque? No, I think that's called hex. And then we've got torque bits as well. And then we've got flat as well, so the square ones as well. So pretty nice, pretty much all in one. It's not a it's not a screwdriver that is powered, but it is a ratcheting one, I believe. Yep, it's a ratcheting one. And since this is quarter, so everything fits to the impact as well. Whatever fits in the impact, you can also put it in here and use it as well. That's pretty nice, not bad at all. If you're in a tight spot and you need to get to a screw or something, this will really help you. So let's open it up. Okay, we got two places that this is anchored to, I guess. Oh, this thing. All right. There you go. So this is what that is. And then we'll open this up. And then let's cut these open. Alright, so this thing also rotates. That's pretty cool. You can just go like that and pick your bit. So you just basically put these in. These are all double-sided, which is pretty cool. You just put these in. So there's space for all of them, so you don't gotta keep one out up here, so that's pretty nice. So it's like all the bits that you need on a regular basis is in here, and then you just put that in. In order for you to turn this, you just press this thing, and then whatever angle you need, it would flip it over, and then that's that, and then you can pick which direction you want it to turn. Because it's actually kind of important to have a ratcheting one in scenarios, especially when you have to use an angle, because a lot of times what happens is you don't get to reach what you want, and then it's also like in an awkward angle, it would be hard to kind of turn it. So this thing being ratcheting helps a lot. You basically have to pull this down to install the bit, and it stays secure, which is another bonus point. And then let's say I got an awkward angle like that, and then I basically fix my ratcheting direction, and here we go. I'm unscrewing already. like that. See that? It's pretty nice. And then I pull this down, take it out, and then I put this thing back in and go about my day. So that's pretty nice. Definitely a pretty good tool. If you guys want to purchase one of this, I'll leave the link in the description. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.